I hear out there a howling, a howling. I hear a howling out there, kid. Howling, howling. I had all kinds of junk falling, ashes and stuff falling at the bottom of one of my desk boxes, where all these tapes, little bitty tapes, lay. You have a tape recorder correspondence I had with a woman. And here is the big whack-ass Nintendo. It's a real sound effects machine I made early in my career making stringed instruments. And this is outdoors. The screaming has stopped. Oh, this painting is not moving along. I'm glad to see all these paints. I've set these paints out all in order. Red, green, blue. I need to make black. The canvas has got little crackles on it. And there goes the dog, Bella and Dustin. And there's a piece of street stuff I'm going to clean. There's our car. And there is the recycling bin. And this is November 3rd, I believe, 2017. Bad laws make a bad society. Good people make good laws.